up, guys? My son's using the Gen 8 and I'm using the Bronco. We're just waiting for Matt to come down with his Axial.
I flipped it on its lid.
Drove the bomb into the snow. Never can wait till I get over there so I can record. And there's Matt. The Gen 8 goes through the spring and snow pretty good. Julian, just because I can go fast, you don't want to go fast the whole time because you're gonna end up breaking something.
Stuck in the snow. How? I just dug the snow. Sometimes I need to use. Are you stuck? Need a little push?
I'm totally stuck.
Need a little push?
No, dude, don't.
Okay, I cannot do this phone. And I forgot that I don't even have a signature.
Sorry about that, guys. Water kind of got on my screen and was make my phone press into things I wasn't pressing into.
Hey, give me a little push. Let's see if I can make it. Okay. You can never make the impossible. Hey. But I got a more power, don't forget it. Ow.
Oh, my back tire is not turning. I think my locker came undone.
Do it again?
No, it's doing it now, but see?
Oh,
I think my locker came undone.
you said the one on this side.
That's why it's not climbing good. Oh well.
Okay.
I gotta replace the servos on it. Oh yeah? Yeah, it's bright out here.
Wait a minute. Why did Julie get to fly? Need help, please?
Yeah, my locker came undone.
Daddy, where's mommy? I don't know. You want to die with her?
That sucks.
Julie, come on.
Alright, my daughter Micaiah came out, so she's using the Bronco. And Julian is using the Gen 8. No, it feels like it's sprinkling.
Yeah, it's stuff because
That kid don't know how to go slow. He just likes to hammer down. Gen 8's going through the snow like a champ.
I keep on feeling drops.
Because my rear locker servo is bad in my Bronco, it's not going to go through the snow with crap. I gotta do some working on my Bronco. No, it's because my rear locker is not popped in.
Where is it?
No, Daddy's gotta tear it all apart and get a new servo for it.
Won't work.
No, you're probably gonna have to stay out here.
Well, that tip over.
Now once the hills over here gets hardened up, we can carve in some nice lines.
Yeah, exactly.
I went over your foot.
Yeah, bring it back over here so I can record all of you guys.
Bring it back over the lawn pipe. Somebody already tried this, but okay. Oh, come over here. Look at this flex in the back. No.
Don't crash into each other, guys. The Bronco still needs some TLC. Needs a new body, a servo for the locker. Other than that, it should be good. The thing is bouncy.
Oh, there's the no, I don't want to get up. Bye, guys. it seem too hard. I might make it seem too easy. Okay. Whenever you back up, I'm gonna try yours. Okay. Coming through. Okay. Probably because you're not gonna run up. He needs a real runner.
Try the 3F
Yeah, that one only has a 2S in it.
Oh, it does really?
Yeah.
Well, that's also brushless too, isn't it?
No.
It's not brushless?
No. There's a 13-turn Fireball engine in it.
It drives all over.
This feels like Snowburger, but in real life. This feels like Snowburger.
Uh-oh. My tire's not turning on the front. Only one side is. Don't tell me that pin piece is broken.
That's horrible. Then I can't drive. But look what we done to the ice. So.
Oh, I think one of my screws came out of that piece right here on my brass fitting. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Alright guys, I just need to get that fixed and it'll be all good. Should put Loctite on it. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. If you liked what you saw, I want to see more, definitely hit that like button, subscribe. Like always guys, we are out.